Damn it, it's dark. Light. Kitty. Kitty watching. Game. Kitty watching. She really likes video games. Now she's watching me play Left 4 Dead. Well, she was. She really likes this. You can get them both in the same shot a little bit. It's just too dark. I have to like turn the light on because I'm lazy. Oh, what's going on the TV, Kitty? What is that? What is going on? This thing is trying to focus like, what is going on? Tell the camera. What's going on, Kitty? What are you watching? You watching whatever the fuck that is, huh? Is that what you're watching? Yeah, that's what you're watching. That is what you're watching. Look at this kitty. She's watching. She likes watching when there's like jumpy noises going on. Come on, do some jumps. Thing's focusing. Look at the TV, kitty. Look at it. Look at that. Look, see? Look. No, don't look at me. Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me, cat. Cat, stop looking at me. What are you doing? Yeah. Cuddle up, watching some LPs on the ottoman over there. Look at you. You know, you're my cat. That's right. You are definitely my kitty cat. Just sprawled out. Gonna go to sleep, watching some games and shit. Right? Isn't that right, Meowgi? That's right. Look at you, watching again. I see you. Just make a YouTube account. Watch some of my shit. You wanna play? Huh? You wanna play, little girl? I bet you do. She wants to play.
Look at her watching that.
Get her some 3D glasses. Get her some.
You just watch that game. You put those 3D glasses on her. She doesn't know what to do with them.
She wants to play.
She's watching. She's sniffing you.
Yeah,
Oh, she's going away. She's going away. Where are you going? What are you doing? She's by the controller.
There you go. Play it. There you go.
No, you're not supposed to step over it.
She's using her butt. She's gonna use her butt to play.
She's like trying to walk behind you.
Go, kitty.
What are you doing, yes? What are you doing? Hmm? You're so cute.